In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove yourself from a community on X, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you joined a community and no longer want to be part of it, this quick tutorial will walk you through exactly how to leave it from your desktop browser. It only takes a moment, and once you know where to click, it becomes really easy. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com in your browser and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the platform, go to the community you want to leave. To do that, click on the community you want to exit so it opens the main feed for that specific community. This is important because the leave option will only show once you're inside the community page itself. After the community feed opens, look at the top right area of the community header. You should see a button that says Joined. Move your mouse over that Joined button, and when you hover over it, the option to leave the community will appear. Now click the Leave button. X will usually ask you to confirm that you want to leave, so go ahead and confirm if prompted. Once you do that, you'll be removed from the community right away. That's it. You've now successfully left the community on X. If you ever want to join again in the future, you can always return and rejoin later. I hope this quick guide made the process easy to follow. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.